India says that it is not important to inoculate 1.3 billion people in the country and it doesn't even intend to do so. The government says the idea is to break the chain of transmission, and by inoculating a few crore people, if they are able to achieve that, and they will only vaccinate those people who are on the priority list. No is the answer. Sources within the government say that there would be a lot of people on the priority list that has been drawn up by the government who would not be keen on getting the vaccine against COVID-19. The vaccine would not be forced. In all likelihood, yes. If you are not a healthcare worker right now, or if you are not a senior citizen and you are not a part of the priority list that has been drawn up by your respective state governments and surrendered to the center of course is looking at these lists. If you're not on that list, then later on when the vaccine is available in the market, you have to be paying for the vaccine. The government has indicated very, very clearly that only a few crore Indians would be vaccinated as per the prioritization plan. If you're not on that priority list, then you would be having to buy the vaccine off the shelf from the market like any other medical product. The government is on record to say that this matter is under deliberation. Will then the government go ahead and monitor the antibodies on patients who've had COVID-19 in order to spare vaccine doses and not vaccinate them? Or is there any sort of an adverse event which is possible if the vaccine is given on a person who already has been a carrier of the infection? These two issues are under deliberation of the National Task Force. The government has said that it does appear that there is no adverse effect on a person who already has been a carrier of the infection. So in all likelihood, he or she can take the vaccine. But is there going to be an effort really to then ensure that these vaccines are spared for those who need it more than the patient who already has had COVID-19? This is something which is under deliberation. The government has drawn up an elaborate plan under the EVIN, which is the Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. It's a digital system where the government has planned about how one can go and get a vaccine. Essentially, the government is identifying vaccinators right now to deliver the vaccine. The process is getting fine-tuned day by day, and what is expected is that there is going to be a mass sort of an immunization program, at least for the 30 crore Indians who have been identified by the government already.